Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 14 Pro Max. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable back tap function. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter accessibility. Go to touch, enter back tap, and now you can set up function for double tap and triple tap. Simply enter it. Let's for example select camera for double tap and screenshot for triple tap. Now simply double tap the Apple logo on the back of the phone and camera is on, and triple tap to make a screenshot. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.